The VIOFO A229 Plus car DVR is an advanced dash camera that redefines vehicle security and recording capabilities. Equipped with dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensors, it significantly improves night vision with 2.5 times the dynamic range and light sensitivity of previous models. This ensures reduced noise and motion blur, making nighttime recordings clearer and more detailed than ever before. With front and rear HDR recording, the A229 Plus captures a wider dynamic range, maintaining excellent detail in both bright and dark conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for capturing fast-moving objects, such as license plates, with accuracy. With 1440p resolution for both front and rear cameras, the A229 Plus delivers crystal-clear footage. The front camera records at 60 frames per second, providing smooth, high-quality visuals with balanced exposure and precise color accuracy. This high frame rate ensures that every detail is captured with minimal motion blur, making it an essential tool for safety-conscious drivers. Additionally, the Dashcam supports hands-free voice control with 12 commands, allowing users to lock videos, take photos, and enable Wi-Fi without taking their hands off the wheel. Notifications for settings changes and memory card errors further enhance convenience and safety. The A229 Plus features a quad-mode GPS module, utilizing GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS satellite positioning systems for ultra-precise location tracking. This provides detailed information on vehicle speed, location, and time, which can be reviewed using the VIOFO app or a computer. The upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi module enables faster data transfer, allowing users to preview, download, and share videos smoothly. The seamless connectivity ensures that users can manage their footage with ease, adjusting settings and downloading recordings efficiently. For continuous monitoring, the A229 Plus offers 3 24-hour parking mode solutions, auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. These features allow the camera to record critical moments even when the car is parked. The auto event detection mode, enhanced with a buffered function, saves footage 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event is detected. The user-friendly interface simplifies menu navigation, displaying memory card formatting status and connection information clearly. Its compact design makes installation straightforward, providing flexible mounting options.